internet there are many sites where you can exchange Bitcoin, but SELLBITCOIN.limited is, without a doubt, the best place to exchange Bitcoin to PayPal. Visit https://bitcoin.limited. Click on Get Started. Select PayPal as destination type. Enter PayPal account. Enter a PayPal note, this is optional. Select your fiat currency. Solve the CAPTCHA. Enter how many Bitcoins you are going to send to estimate how much money you are going to receive. Click on Continue. Send your Bitcoins to the address shown on the screen. Don't forget to download the guarantee letter. It will be your insurance in case something fails.